A strong first page helps set the tone for your document. With cover pages, you can introduce your document with titles, branding, and key information before the main content begins. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a dedicated cover page in the Jotform PDF Editor to present your document in a clear and professional way. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform PDF Editor. From the left panel, open the Add Element menu. Switch to the Basic Elements tab to add visual and layout components to your document. Use heading to define the title of your document and create a clear introduction on the cover page. Add text to include supporting information such as author name, date, version, or a short description. You can also add an image to display your company logo or visual branding. This helps create a strong and professional first impression. Use elements like line, empty space, or box to organize the layout and separate sections visually. If your document continues onto additional pages, add a page break so the main content begins on the next page after the cover. Once you're done designing the page, toggle Preview PDF to see how your cover page appears in the final document. The cover page separates the introduction from the main content, creating a clear and professional starting point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.